Welcome back to another episode of the Black Network Guy. I am your host, the Black Network Guy. Today, what we're going to do is something really, really simple. We're going to configure an IP address on an interface. I know. It's super easy. Don't get intimidated if you're new to the network world. We're going to walk through it. All right, this is our diagram. All right, so we got two routers, R1 and R2. We're configuring fast Ethernet 00 on both routers. They are going to be on the 192.168.1.0/30 subnet. If you need a refresher on subnetting, go watch one of my other videos on subnetting. Super simple. But this router is going to be 192.168.1.1. The other router is going to be 192.168.1.2. And then we're going to establish a simple ping test between them. All right, here we go. Let's do it. Console of R1. All right. So this router over here is R1, and this one over here is R2. First thing we gotta do is gotta go in config mode, config T, enter, right? So I could have typed, let me back up a second. I could have typed configure and terminal and enter, same thing, config T, enter. You learn to utilize shortcuts in Cisco, they become your best friend. I wanna go into interface fast Ethernet 00. Interface fast Ethernet 00, enter. I type my IP address. This is R1, so it's IP address 192.168.2.1 with the subnet mask of 255.255.255.252. Enter. No shut. I come over here to R2, fig T, enter, interface fast Ethernet 00, enter, IP address 192.168.1.2, 255.255.255. Again, that number after the IP address is the subnet mask. No shut. Let's perform a simple ping test. 168.1.1. I am pinging the 1.1 interface. Oh, sorry. Did I do that right? So look at what I did here. On this side, I configured 192.168.1.2. On this side, I configured 192.168.2.1. So my third octet is incorrect. So it's always, you always need to verify your IP addressing. So let me come back in this guy. Actually, this side is incorrect. Let me come back in this guy. IP address 192.168.1.1. No shut. Ping 192.168.1.2. Boom. My first one failed because of ARP. I am now successfully pinging this side over here. So ping 192.168.1.1. Boom. And if I want to look at the IP address that I configured on the interface, I know it's correct because I just pinged it. But I do show IP interface brief. Show IP interface brief. Both sides. This is saying fast Ethernet 00 configured with 192.168.1.1 on R1. Fast Ethernet 00 configured with 192.168.1.2 on R2. Now, if I want to look at the total configurations for the interface, show run interface fast Ethernet 00. Show run interface fast Ethernet 00. Boom, there are my IP addresses. So it's just that simple. Everything in networking is literally that simple. If you understand the basics of it, the rest of this is just dumb, stupid, simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with somebody if you learned something. Peace.
I ain't gonna change up a little more.